I'm going to show you the easiest way to hit pure shots every time with every club. This has nothing to do with the clubs you have. This has everything to do with your body setup position. The whole concept is by Jim Ventos. You can look him up on YouTube. He's a fantastic coach. He's my personal coach. He teaches the pivot, grip, and then swing. And I struggle a little bit with balance. I'm a military veteran. I have some issues with my knees and my ankles and hips. So I just kind of reversed his philosophy and did the leaning forward, putting all my weight on my front foot, which is essentially what he does when he pivots. He just does it all at once versus I lean forward, put all my weight on my front foot, and then pivot to a closed position, which causes an inside out swing path, which definitely causes a great draw. And you can play with this because the more closed you stay, the better draw you're going to hit, which is a beautiful shot. So let's walk through this. We'll go ahead and get set up here. I'm local to 30A. If anybody's in Santa Rosa Beach, Florida, this is where I play. This is the Santa Rosa Golf and Beach Club. So I'm going to lean all my weight forward, get firmly planted, stable. I'm going to pivot, and I'm going to hit it, and it's going to be a nice little draw. Now remember, it's going to start out to the right because that's what draws do. If you're unfamiliar with this style of hitting shots, a lot of people think they should hit straight shots or right down the middle. No, you actually want to hit it either left or right and have it either draw or fade back. So as you can see, super easy. Last one I think I do here is I put all my weight forward on my front foot. I get stable. Then I pivot about a 45-degree angle. And then you can see it is just a beautiful shot. So hope this helps some people out. If you like it, and leave a comment. Let me know if it works for you. Thanks.